In today's connected world, keeping what matters to you safe is now easier than ever. Introducing Miguard, a complete safety and security service powered by the Internet of Things. Already trusted by the biggest names in banking, retail, and manufacturing, Miguard is now available to all Filipinos who want to make their lives safer and more secure. Miguard protects your family and home from burglaries, fire, calamities, and even medical emergencies through a network of devices that work seamlessly together. Our system only uses the latest technologies in smart cameras, sensors, and panic alarms that are more reliable and secure than traditional methods. And unlike other platforms, only Miguard has a state-of-the-art command center that connects with your devices, providing you with 24/7 rapid response security in times of danger or emergency. Making the world safer starts at home. This is our mission. Safety, security, and the peace of mind that everything you value is safe and sound. This is Miguard. Technologies that keep you safe. Miguard's platform gives you security and peace of mind for a variety of emergency situations. Our system guides your home from any unwanted entries with an array of window and door sensors that work together with the Miguard hub and smart home cameras that instantly alert you when break-ins happen. Emergency situations can happen unexpectedly, which makes phoning for help almost impossible. This is where Miguard panic buttons can be a true lifesaver. In medical emergencies, a simple tap of the button will alert the Miguard command center, where our team will immediately alert emergency medical teams to your home. And provide quick assistance. For situations where a threat is present, pushing the panic button will prompt our command center and divert police and first responders to your home to investigate the situation and keep your home safe. Simple, quick, effective. Panic buttons are powerful tools in keeping your loved ones safe. Fires are a constant threat and can happen anytime and anywhere at home. Miguard's fire alarms have the optimal amount of sensitivity only to the types of smoke that signals a fire is about to take place. When alerted, the fire sensors will sound off an alarm and signal the Miguard command center that a fire emergency is about to escalate. From there, our team will monitor the situation and contact you if you need further assistance and send additional support from the local fire brigade. At the heart of our system is the Miguard Command Center, operating 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It is connected to all Miguard-equipped homes where our team of security analysts are always ready to respond when any alert is triggered. Regardless if you are sleeping at night or away enjoying time with your family, you are sure that your safety and security is in good hands. This, combined with constant innovations to our software and hardware solutions, makes Miguard the best home security and safety platform in the Philippines. House by house, family by family, it's our mission to make our world safer. So guard what matters most to you with Miguard. Technologies that keep you safe.